Turning our attention to Greg Fields and the weather, and we saw the live look from our tower camera as we went to break. It was clear in the skies.
Yeah.
So when you talk about rain, you think, well, where's it coming from? Because
yeah, we'll have a little bit of a chance tomorrow. That's going to be late tomorrow. But until then, even after that, we're going to be sweating it out. So that's one of the things you need to know. It is hot. It is the hot temperatures and the humidity have arrived. So what you need to know over the next few days, yes, staying seasonably hot and humid. So get used to it out there. We'll have to deal with this for a while, it looks like. Now, we do have those chances for some showers and thunderstorms midweek. That's going to be tomorrow. So we'll get more in detail about that for you. Summer officially arriving on Friday evening. So we will have those temperatures that are going to stay quite hot for us, already feeling like summer, and that will continue for us in the days to come. Getting you out to our studios here in downtown Dallas now, 85 degrees. Those winds, they're a little gusty now. Those south winds have really picked up, gusting to 26 miles per hour, feeling like it's 88 out there right now, but we'll continue to see that heat index and those temperatures climbing as we head into this afternoon. 84 heading over to Fort Worth, 86 already getting out to Weatherford, and as we head over to Mesquite, you're already up to 88, 87 heading on out to Plano. So those mid-upper 80s all around the Metroplex here, and it is pretty humid as well as we look at the dew point temperatures. They're in the upper 60s and low 70s, so that air has been a little bit heavy this morning. That will be the case as we go through the day. So as we look at that muggy meter, very sticky to uncomfortable out there for us here. So yes, get set to sweat just a little bit. Try not to lose your cool as we go through the next few days. Now this afternoon, we're going to top out somewhere in the low mid 90s, maybe 94 to 95. Dallas over to Fort Worth could be looking at some upper 90s in up our western counties before it's all said and done this afternoon, and those low 90s a little farther east. But as we factor in that humidity, you see the normal high 92 won't be breaking any records. That's 105. But once we factor in that humidity, it will be up over 100 later today. 102 to 103 heading out to Fort Worth, 101, maybe 102 Denton over to McKinney a little bit later on. And this is about what it's going to be like and feel like over the next few days as well. Again, not much is going to change for us. We're going to keep those temperatures in the low mid 90s right through the end of the week into the upcoming weekend. You see that normal high 92 to 93. So we're going to be, again, seasonably hot, maybe a little bit above that. But once we factor in that humidity, we're looking at that heat index that will be up over 100, it looks like, each day right through Sunday. Now, again, we do have a slight chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. That's going to be heading into tomorrow. Kind of scattered about. We could see some stronger thunderstorms up along the Red River. There will be a front that drops its way down out of Oklahoma, so there will be some showers and storms maybe out to our west as we go through the day on Wednesday. And as we head into Wednesday night, some of those storms may hold together, work their way down into the Metroplex, or at least over the Red River down toward Dallas and Fort Worth as we head into Wednesday night early on Thursday. Shouldn't last long. I don't think we'll have much during the overnight heading toward 5 a.m. on Thursday. Still maybe a few leftover scattered showers and storms around, but all that should be dissipating as we go through the morning hours on Thursday heading into Thursday afternoon. So it is still going to be hot and humid. Now, again, the storms will be isolated to scattered in nature, but again, a marginal risk that some of these could be strong, maybe severe, some small hail, maybe some winds gusting up to around 60 miles per hour. So we'll be watching that. Keep checking back as we make updates to the forecast. But again, coverage only about 30% we're looking at right now with the chance for the showers and storms. So here's what it looks like over the next 14 days. Juneteenth, it is going to be a hot and humid one out there for sure. We'll have those temperatures warming into the low mid 90s. There's that 30% coverage with the showers and storms. As summer officially arrives as we get into Friday, we're looking at highs in the mid 90s, and then more of the same as we get into the weekend and early next week. Low rain chances, slim to almost none with those rain chances. It looks like over the second half of that 14-day forecast takes us right through the end of the month almost. As we wind down the month of June, it's going to feel a lot like it with those highs in the mid 90s. All right, we will have more midday coming up after this.